Whoa! Let's see if you can beat Sick.
But who is Sick?
He's Shadow Man.
Who is Shadman?
Shadow. That has one eye.
Oh, that's why he's sick.
He's
One of us
seeking.
left.
How did you already join?
Okay,
Bro.
how to do this? Can you tell me? Is this
No.
scary?
But I'm recording.
Okay, record me. What is this?
It's a paper.
Jingle bell, jingle bell. I have no sounds.
Yeah. I'm gonna be scared. Boosted aircon ang init.
How to do this? Tell me when I'm gonna
Indoor 11 hide, please.
Okay, why?
Rush.
Okay, I'm gonna go here. Do I go here? Or do I hide?
No, there's Jack.
Is this sick?
No. He only has one eyeball.
Wait. What's that? Oh, I see sick.
No, that.
Ah.
Don't look at eyes.
Oh no.
Don't look at eyes.
How do I go? Do I hide?
No! Jack is, I think, there.
How?
The bus.
How to heal?
You don't.
Huh?
No healables.
Bro. Do I open this?
Never.
He
Was there a person?
got trapped.
Okay.
In the key, I guess.
Gotta get the kick.
Is this Aki?
No, that's a lever. Good thing you.
Did I let him escape?
Please stop acting stupid.
Where is he? How did he get out? Oh, he vented. Who is saying?
Don't look at eyes. Gonna die. You have one health.
Look at me.
You will die.
Yeah, I have one heart left.
Don't look at anybody else or go to Rush. Anyways, that's it. Bye-bye.